Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm back at the olive mill. It's quite noisy here. We've got tractors, got all sorts going on, and we are here to pick up the olive oil. Now, can you see all these hoppers, guys? When we were here last, there was quite a lot of them full up, and it looks like olive season's coming to an end. There they are out here empty. There's probably tons and tons of olive oil in there. Lots of people are coming to pick up their olive oil, and hopefully our one's at the back. Oh no, look, there's some going in. It's not over. There we are. They're still crushing the olives, guys. There it is, guys. We've got loads. Look at all that olive oil. So guys, we have got about 5 or 6 litres of fresh olive oil. We will be auctioning off the olive oil, probably put it in litre bottles, and we'll auction it all off, as I say, and all the proceeds will go to Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary. So there we are, we've got fresh olive oil from our garden available soon, guys. Now let me show you around the mill again, guys, and see what's going on. And here we are, we've got one of the workers. There we are. Oh, I like his t-shirt, look at that. What else has he got on? Oh, he's got all sorts on there, guys. So let's go through the mill again, have a look around and see the whole process. So the hopper will come here, drop off the olives in the bucket, and then we've got a conveyor belt. It go up the conveyor belt, up here, guys. There we are. And then it'll go in here where it's cleaned. There we are. It's just cleaning it all out. All the olives are going here and they get cleaned by these jets. And then they go along here, guys, into another hopper. And this is a spiral one. And it'll take it up like a corkscrew. And the olives that go up there, they're all cleaned, and they'll go down this tube, and they'll go through the tube, guys, through the corkscrew, and you'll open a valve. These are valves in here. There we are. And these are individual ovens. Let me show you. Go around here and show you. There we are. Now everybody's got his own individual oven. We could see one here. Can you see the olives? And they're ground down and heated and made into a paste. Can you see that? Now that's not the paste that you would eat. So now they've been made in a paste, and you can see everybody's name. So there's one here, there's another one here. That's 120 kilos in there. So they get ground down and heated up in these individual heaters, and then they're pumped through there, and you can see the olive oil coming through. There it is. So pumped through here, and it should be quite warm. Yep, it's very warm. It'll go through here, up here, and then it'll get spun in this machine. It gets cleaned up. There we are. So all the olive oil coming out has been squashed in this machine. And as it gets squashed, all the debris will come this way. Can you see all the debris coming out? We don't want that. that's coming out of this great big machine. There's a corkscrew, and then it goes to the centrifuge. There's the centrifuge, spinning it round like mad, and there's the fresh olive oil. And there's another centrifuge over there. Then it'll get put into barrels. Once it's put into barrels, it'll come over here into the storage facility. And then when it's all finished, they'll phone you and you can come and pick up your olive oil. And there's our olive oil up here. There we are. So we'll pick up our olive oil. There's loads of it. And there's loads of olive oil waiting to be picked up. This chap had 90 kilos of olives. And he's got all that olive oil. And this is the industrial ones, the massive ones. There they are. And there's the lovely lady keeping an eye on things. Just making sure everything's okay. So there we are, guys. Fresh olive oil at the olive oil press. Wasn't that exciting? So look out for it, guys. Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary fundraising page on Facebook. We'll be putting the olive oil on there very shortly. I hope you enjoyed that little trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.